Hello, welcome back to the channel. I'd like to start off with an apology for how poor the quality of my content has been lately. Yeah, I really haven't been putting in much effort with the editing of my videos and the audio and the quality recently because I've been so busy just trying to focus on sorting the bike out really. It's harder than it looks getting good content whilst trying to concentrate and focus on actually fixing your bike and riding the bike and seeing how it feels. It's it's definitely harder than it looks. So I'd like to start off with an apology to say I'm sorry about how crap the videos have been lately. I haven't been using my microphone, haven't been using the proper cameras set up. I've been just using my phone on like selfie mode, and quality's bad, the lighting's bad, the sound is bad. From this video onwards, I am going to put more effort into the editing of these videos because I know it makes a big difference. Like the audio, the sound of the engine, the music, the sound of my voice, lighting. I'm going to focus a bit more on that. Give my channel a bit of a kick up the butt to make it a bit more professional, I guess, and you guys deserve it. Tomorrow morning, I'm getting up early and I am going to take an hour's ride to a place called Finchingfield, and I have a very, very special guest that's going to feature on the channel tomorrow. Hopefully the weather's good and we're going to go for a ride. We'll probably go for a little coffee, and I'm very, very excited. Yeah, it's a big deal. I'm not going to say who it is yet. I'm going to leave that as a surprise, but very, very special guest. So I'm going to get the bike prepped for that, and then tomorrow we will get some exciting content. Let's go. Welcome back to Geordie's Janky restorations. Tried to take off the reflector on my fork and it absolutely destroyed it. Paint come off everywhere. So I've just sprayed it with the only paint I had, some rust repellent, but it's satin black, not gloss black. That's Janky restoration number 1. Janky restoration number 2 is I had that mount that was holding on the front scoop that was stuck. Still can't get that bolt out, and I've cross-threaded the bolt now by trying to get it out so much. So in the end I got some bolt cutters and bolt cutted the mount. Peace. Good morning. Join me in a field with Honey. Just taking her for a quick walk before I hit the road. It's about 3 degrees, so yeah, pretty cold. It's slowly warming up. Should reach maybe 5, 6 in the next few hours. But yeah, very frosty, icy, so I'm gonna have to take it super easy on the ride up to Finchingfield. But yeah, take the dog for a walk and then we'll hit the road. Let's go. Alright, 10 o'clock, just about to hit the road. I'm going to avoid the motorways. I'm going to put you on my POV helmet. Let's go. Oh. Got my thermals on. Push it down, push it down, push it down. Oh no. Fuck. Oh shit. That's not good. It's not starting. Fuck. Let's go get my battery booster, but I don't know whether it's charged. So stressed out. Supposed to meet up at 11. It's now like 10:30. Oh god, the day. My booster pack is flat, so I'm trying to use this charger, but it's going to take absolutely ages. Let's give it a go now. Have to just be patient. Right, I've given it like 5-10 minutes on charge. Let's see if she starts. No chance.
It's the following morning in the beautiful village of Finchingfield. You can see the Himalayan just parked up there. I was meant to meet Geordie today, who has just bought a Harley Dyna. And I arrived here, it took me an hour to get here, and it's bitterly cold. I cannot feel my hands. And I just thought I'd check my messages, because it looked like Geordie was about 15 minutes late. And then I saw a string of messages. The Dyna that he's just bought, it won't start. He thinks it's because of the battery. So it looks like I'm here in Finchingfield getting coffee and breakfast for one.
Bike's out there on charge. Oh, the one day I needed it to start. She just doesn't start. Battery completely flat. I'm so peeved off. I'm so angry. What can you do? Alright, she's been on charge for a good hour now, so this is my last attempt. If this doesn't work, then I'm calling it a day and tucking her away. That was close. Oh, that was so close. Nothing. Fine. I take it as a sign to not go and ride today. I'm very upset about that, because it's a beautiful day. Morning guys. Sunday, roads are wet, but I'm going to take the bike out because the battery's charged. I just want to see if it's all good and just the battery. Yeah, just going to go get a bit of lunch. Meet Austin and my brother. Yeah, I'll put you on my helmet POV, so let's get it. Okie dokie. I need some fuel. Should we start today?
Green colada.
Green colada.
£18. Jesus, that's a big tank.
On the screen, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you.